Using the Ryobi Devour is easy. Pop in the 18-volt battery and you're ready to go. Simply adjust the dial for your surface smoothness and press on. The Devour can easily pick up scrap pieces of wood on the floor, and it's great to pick up dried leaves on the driveway. The Devour has a height adjustable metal handle. It also has super bright LED lights to light up the area that you're sweeping. The 3 swivel wheels make pushing, pivoting, and changing direction effortless. The manual says not to pull the unit backwards, but it still seemed to work, and my kids really love to play with it, so if they can sweep for me, that's great. I have epoxy floors in my garage, so I was really excited to see how it did with the fine dust on that super smooth surface. It did pretty good, but once the bin got about 1/3 full, the dust started coming out the sides, and so you can either tip it back or you can empty your bin. When you're going along edges, there's some little brush deflectors on the sides. You can push those down and that will help push the brushes down to get the corners better. Also, if it needs to scrub a little, it would help with that too. Storing is really easy. Just flip it up and it stores on end, so it has less of a footprint. Overall, I really like the Devour sweeper. It wasn't perfect on my smooth floors, but it did a good job and it was easy.